So once again, this is G, and thank you so much for your kind and attention. And yes, so sorry, I'm not white. Okay, don't get confused with my little complexion. Okay, I'm not white. My skin is brown. That's what I guess. Well, there you go. We're on YouTube right now, and I'm really sorry guys that I was not. Well, I haven't got creating videos at all about the patients, right? So anyway, don't you worry guys, I've already found a legit application, gaming application rather. It's not only one that I found, actually already, right? Of them. But now, we will not talk about these two legit applications first, okay? Let me just show you my investigation with this application that I'm currently playing on my phone. In fact, a lot of them. I'm playing a lot of dating applications on my phone. If ever that I found the right applications, then I will definitely tell to people that this is a good application, right? So anyway, the name of the application that I've been investigating is Tap Money Rain, okay? And that application is coming from China, alright? We'll just show the video over here as how I investigated. And somebody hacked me while I was investigating, okay, and while I was making a screen record, I was screen recording my phone at the same time whilst I was showing everyone, right? So something happened whilst I was typing the domain, the website, right? The domain of the help center of Tap Money Rain is Sina.com. Okay, whilst the web developers domain of their email address is gmail.com. Okay, so I went to checking Sina.com. I used my Google Chrome and it was on incognito, okay, and unfortunately I don't know what happened next, but it was all black when I was trying to show everyone. So it was in fact in incognito. Probably that's the case. Just check this one, and yes, welcome back. It's now May 2021. And yes, I miss you guys, so hope that you'll enjoy this investigation. And the Lily Tyrell Go, the developers, so there's some gaming application. Well, hi guys. I just wish you all success on your business application, whatever that you're doing with this application or with this gaming application. I pray you all success, okay? And be happy, alright? Well, thank you, just watch. Hello. Alright, so I've been trying to successfully do this, but somebody has been trying to control what I'm actually doing on my phone. Okay, anyway, going back, so I've been playing this game, Lily Tyrell Go at gmail.com is the name of, or is the contact information of the web developers. So Tap Money Rain is the name of the application, and this is actually the proof that I've already installed this application. Okay. And yes, it says here uninstall and play something I've already installed it, right? So I'm gonna tap on this play instead. There you go. I was able to go back to the game, right? And then let me just get out from that first, okay? Because I want us to investigate something very important here. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's not it. Oh, I'm so sorry. So anyway, this is the tap money ring. This one, as you can see, right? So let me just tap on it. Right? Okay. And then this is actually the amount of money that I already have. See that? And this one as well. Okay, so basically the game is all about tapping the dollars here. Okay, so you will watch advertisement, and that's actually part of the business, to watch the just watch the advertisement. And now it's all black, right? So when it comes to this case, mostly if your phone screen or your computer screen shows all black, there's actually a big tendency that you've been hacked, right? So as long as it's all black, all white, nothing is happening on your screen, so somebody has been hacking you already. And I'm pretty sure that I already have a hacker who is watching me. Hi, how are you? Right? And hope that you're doing great. Hope that you're enjoying your day. It's actually May, so yeah, I'm hoping that you are feeling blessed today. Anyway, I'm trying to show everyone about this application. So if you are the app developer and you're watching me, oh hi, my name is Jonah, and just call me Jay, and I am from the Philippines. So guys, okay, nothing is happening here, right? It's all black, like it's all black. Okay. Alright, so let me just get out of that application. See that? It's still the same. The application is not running. So let's just go back here. Okay, because I want us to check their privacy policy. Okay. Alright, so there you go. This is actually the privacy policy. I want us to check it and look. Alright, so that's it. So if you will tap on that privacy policy of this application, you won't be able to see anything but just that error. Okay, maybe because I'm in a cold dive, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, that's just it. I should be able to see their privacy policy thing. Okay, so I'm not gonna change this for the meantime, alright? But let me just show you what I've recorded so far. Well, perhaps this is it. Okay. Save that. Okay, let me just try to find where I actually... Oh, there you go. Interesting, huh? So I recorded the screen earlier wherein I was trying to show what was really happening, and then all of a sudden I did not realize that it just stopped there, right? So what about this one? It says screen record, right? So screen record. Let me play on this one. But there you go, it's not showing anything. Okay, So anyway, even that it's not showing anything, as you can see, okay, let me just point it here. It says that their help center is LuckyNatK@Sina.com. Alright, so Lucky Nat K. So it's like Lucky Nat K. Oh, this is quite interesting. So if you will be playing this game, it's giving me an impression that you are not really that lucky, because it says Lucky Nut. Lucky Nut. Lucky Nut K at Sina.com. Alright, so let's talk about it. About that Sina.com. Okay. And this is how I investigate further. Alright, so let me just tap on my Google right now. And yes, okay. Again, let me just go to Sina.com because that's the domain. Alright, that's the domain of their help contact. Alright, Sina.com. So there you go. So basically, I do not understand this, right? Okay, I cannot understand that. And okay, so this is it. Alright, so here's what we will do. I'm gonna tap this. I'm gonna check my history. Oh, they removed the English version of Sina.com. They actually removed the English version. Well, basically, this one is from China. You know why? Look, okay, the way they had written their characters, I'm pretty sure that this is actually a Chinese character. Okay, because I already checked the website earlier, right? This is quite strange because all of a sudden something happened. Okay, they did not give me the they're not really giving me any option anymore to check this in English version. Unlike earlier, there was an English version of this, right? I'm not really sure why they're doing this, but so what I'm gonna do next is that let me check. So we will just Sina.com English. Oh yeah. And this is what I like about me, right? See that? Sina English. See that? Sina.com English. China Real Time Report. So meaning this is China. Okay. See? That's how like seriously. Guys. Even that you will remove the option wherein I won't be able to check or understand your language, right? I won't be able to know your what do you call this, your origin. Don't worry, I can definitely know what I have to do next. Okay, I'm good at it. So anyway, wow, people line up for COVID. Hey, COVID-19 vaccination in Taipei. That's Taipei, right? Ooh, interesting. Anyway, no. China succeeds in first Mars landing. Wow, first Mars landing. Who
wow, congratulations, China. Congratulations that this Tap Money Rain, okay, is not really, it's actually made by a Chinese person, so possibly not only one, so Chinese people, Chinese web developers. So yeah, I just wish that this application is legit, okay? And yes, when it comes to my expectations, of course, I expect that somehow, okay, that this is legit, that the amount of cash that I just already cashed out from your application will be sent to my PayPal account. And yes, by May 23rd, you will still see me here. Okay, I will also make another video about you guys. And hopefully everything will be successful. Okay, on the May 23rd, that will be the only time I may change my feedback. And yes, my rating as well. Depends on what will be the result after playing your gaming application. Okay, and yes, let me also thank you in advance. I really appreciate you for doing this, if ever this is legit, because you will be a great help of other people, a lot of people, honestly, especially this pandemic. That was actually the real one. Okay, so yes, let me just tap on this. This is luckynotpay@sina.com. Alright, so anyway, can you please could you just please try to at least change that instead of saying lucky not, right? Lucky not pay. Because it's giving me an impression that lucky not, so meaning unlucky, unfortunately, right? Okay, so I do not know what you're trying to emphasize with that email address, but yes, okay. I truly appreciate that your web or your application has its own contact information, and then the web developer has their own contact information as well. Good thing. So yes, anyway, thank you so much, and for my hackers who have been watching me, hi, and thank you so much for your time and attention. This is Jay once again for this gaming app. Is it legit or not?